one. Welcome, guys. This is Buddy Smooth Crypto. We have another episode today, a live technical analysis on Dogecoin.
And now the last coin we're going to look at for this stream is Dogecoin.
This is definitely a meme coin. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
This is just fun and games right here. All right.
Yeah, this hurts me to almost look at. So Dogecoin, since it hasn't been on Coinbase for too long, we'll stay on the weekly time frame. We will draw our Fibonacci from. We'll do it from these highs, which I'm looking at the red wick, August 16th, 2021. Just go off to the side so I could get the top precisely. Drag it down to the lows, and it looks like it's this red wick here, June 13th, 2022. And let's just expand it out. Trying to line it up the best that I can, lock it into place. And I mean, you just see Doge so fluently going between the fibs, getting rejections, finding some as support, and that's what we're doing right now is finding the bottom level as support. But Doge as well, it looks like there's a lot of trend lines on Doge. We could do one from this green to this second touch point here, April 25th, 2022, and just expand it out. I don't really like the way that looks. Doge is another tough one then. Let's do our first touch point from this red wick then here on November 8th, 2021. Second touch point we could do here. So again, the same touch point.
So before you go on,
yeah.
So what I'm noticing is that you don't want the trend line to be touching the most recent wick.
So if you look, so
like not the most recent, the wick as of now, even if it seems like it will line up, right?
I mean, somewhat.
Okay.
But look what I'm talking about. So we have our first touch point here, and our second touch point I'm drawing here.
Got it.
When I expand it out, we're already outside of the trend line. So that would be considered a breakout.
Oh, I see.
When you see this, that is not, we have to zoom in to even see that little nub. That's not a breakout. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So a breakout would be, let me see if I could give you an example. I guess price really hasn't moved, so we have not had a breakout. I mean, this would probably be the most valid trend line for Doge as of now. First touch point is here, January 10th, 2022. Second touch point lines up with April 4th, 2022. Third touch point lines up with April 25th, 2022. And then it just expanded it out. And you see it gives us room to still have the trend line as resistance. So Doge again is another coin where, I mean, you just need to be patient with everything else. Like how much lower? I know Doge could still go a lot lower because they just mint as many coins as humanly possible. But really, I mean, look at these highs. Where were we? 35 cents in, when was this? August 16th last year. I mean, though, now these gains are going to be absolutely insane. From current levels back up to the 35 cent level, 500% gains.
Oh.
To the 78.6, 385% gains. The 61.8, pretty much 300% gains. Yeah, 300%. To the 236, even for a small movement in Doge, that's 104%. Wow. That's absolutely crazy, man. Crazy. So, I mean, just have confidence in knowing if you're buying now and dollar cost averaging, these are amazing times.
Let's put it into perspective as well. You know, we're into AMP, and that actually has a use case in the real life world. They're actually doing something with
it. With the payments.
And Doge, it's a collateral for payment processing. But look at Doge, literally no function whatsoever. They're trying to create functions for it. It didn't originally start out like that.
Exactly.
But look at how much money people are getting out of this coin.
Oh yeah.
Out of just a meme coin. So just think about a legit coin with a real G. How much money you can make out of that, even if you look out longer into the future as well.
Exactly. I completely agree.
Well, okay. So that's pretty much it, huh?
That's it.
That's it. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in on this live stream of this live technical analysis.